I'm Mr. Ash from CodeSpeak Labs, and I'm going to show you how to play part 2 of Lunch Crunch. Once you log into the Foos, click Puzzles, and then find the island that's called Lunch Crunch. You may have to swipe until you get to the right one. Then click Play. Click on the level that you last left off on. It should be the one with no stars on it yet. In the later levels, you'll see that some customers want sauce on their pasta. To add sauce on the pasta, first we have to make the pasta, and then we have to make the sauce. So in our utensils block, we'll choose the tomato, and then we'll give the customer the order. So make sure if they want pasta with sauce, then you make the pasta and then the sauce. On some levels, your customer's papers will have a question mark on them. That means we don't know what they want until they get to the front of the line. Swipe up to find your if-then code. This block means if they have a certain food, then we'll do the code to prepare that food. So if they want pasta with sauce, then we'll give them pasta, tomato, and then give them the order. Once the customers get to the front of the line, we'll see what their order is, and we'll use our if-then blocks to see what they have. Here, we won't know if they want sauce on their pasta until they get to the front of the line. So we have to use our if-then blocks to check. We'll swipe up, and we'll use an if-then block. Then we'll click the pasta with the sauce on it. We'll grab our utensils block and choose tomato. Then we'll give the order to the customer. Now our code says we're going to make our pasta, and if they want sauce on their order, we'll make the sauce, and then we'll give them the order. If they don't want sauce, then we won't go inside our if-then block. We'll just skip to giving them their order. But if they do want sauce, then we'll go into our if-then statement, create the sauce, and then give it to the customer. On this level, we won't know if our customers want pasta or ice cream, so we'll have to make two separate if-then blocks for pasta and ice cream. So here, I'll grab my if-then block. First, I'll make the recipe for pasta. So I'll find my pasta in the ingredients list, and then I'll give the customer the order. But if they want ice cream, I'll get another if-then block, choose the ice cream recipe, add in my ingredients, make sure I choose the ice cream, and then I'll give them their order. So now, if my customer wants pasta, we'll use this if-then block, and we won't use the ice cream one. And for the next customer, they don't want pasta, so we'll go to the ice cream if-then block. Make sure you double check your if-then statements to make sure you have the right blocks inside of them. Have fun!